welcome back to my channel. It's me, Brianna. Today's video is going to be my eyebrow routine, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I upload videos every Monday and Thursday, so check out my channel on those days and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. So I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit more, but I just want to say this. My eyebrows may not come out perfect. They may not come out the way that you would want or you would think that they would come out, but this is just the way that I do them, and this is the best way that I've found to do my eyebrows as of recently. So this is what I've been doing, and how I said in previous videos, I like my eyebrows to look very square. So if that is not your cup of tea, that's okay. You don't have to follow like what I say, but I basically follow the shape of my brow, but I just square out the front a little bit more because this eyebrow has more of a square shape, and this one as well, but this one has darker hairs, so it may come off looking a little too strong because my eyebrow hairs, as you guys can see, they are really light, but me doing them square, I feel like it suits me the best, you know? And it's just about playing around with them, and not every single time I do my eyebrows they don't come out the same, but I just want to say the two products that I do use consistently, including another one, which is the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown, but mine ran out, so I don't have that today, but I use that one. But what's become a staple in my eyebrow routine is this one, which is the MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint in Spiked, and I mainly use this side of it, which is like a marker, and the other side, if you guys wanted to use it, it's like a little tip, and it has color, like it has a shadow for you to fill in your brow with. But I like to use a pencil, and the pencil I use is Effortless Eyebrow Definer by Burberry in Ash Brown, and it's a thick pencil. And the reason I like it so much is because it's not like overly waxy, because overly waxy pencils, believe it or not, they pluck my little eyebrow hairs out because that's how sensitive they are. So I like this pencil, and on the other side it does have a spoolie, so it's perfect. So let's zoom you guys in so you guys can see how I do my eyebrows. So I may seem a little low energy today, and that's because I have not had coffee. The whole setup today may be a little bit dark because it's literally a rainstorm out right now, so that's why the lighting may look weird. Not all my videos look like this. Let me stop. Okay, anyways, so what I first like to do before I even fill in my eyebrows, I like to brush them in the way that I'm going to fill them in. So I fill in the front upwards, and then I fill in the rest of my brow sideways, if that makes sense. And my eyebrow shape is not perfect, and that's because if you guys have followed me for a while, my eyebrows got damaged. They got ruined by this threading salon, and I've been trying to grow them out ever since. I did get them waxed by Benefit, and it did help, but there's just some areas that I want hair, so I'm not gonna get them waxed for a while again, and I just tweeze them to keep them in shape. So with the eyebrow definer or the Brow Wiz, I use it the same way. I just start in the front. A lot of people like to start in the middle, and I used to be one of those people, but I feel like starting in the front shows me how dark shows me how dark I'm gonna make my brows. And I'm just gonna have a little mirror here that's closer so I can stay in frame. So you want to take your eyebrow pencil and just lightly begin to sketch where you want your eyebrow to go. So I'm basically just following my natural shape, but it's gonna look like I'm adding extra, but I'm not. It's just because my eyebrow hairs are very light. So you just want to add some shape, and I'm doing a very, very light hand, but you can see that's making a difference from before. And you always want to brush the product through. And when I do my eyebrows, I like to have a close mirror like the one in my hand, and a further mirror away, so I can make sure I'm not doing it too dark. I'm doing the same exact thing to the top, but I'm just leaving a little bit of this knot with the straight line because that helps it not look so drawn on. And as you guys can see here, it's sparse for me, so I'm just filling that in. And as of lately, I've been liking to do my eyebrows before I do my foundation, because I noticed if I overdraw my eyebrows by accident or if I make them too big, once I do my foundation, it makes them look the size that I want, which is like more thin and small, if that makes sense. Because I get carried away and make my eyebrow like that big, and I don't like that look. In my past videos, like a year ago, you could probably tell. And this eyebrow, so if you have eyebrows like me, if you have one that's less full and this is a fuller one, you're not going to want to apply the same amount of product you did in this one, because then this eyebrow is going to come out too dark. This eyebrow will come out too dark. Then this one will still look very light. So I like to put way less product in my thicker brow and more product in my sparse brow, and then somehow it kind of evens out a little bit at least. Okay, so literally for the Burberry pencil, that's all I'm using. And then I'm going to go in with the MAC one. And I love this little marker thing because it makes your brows look so natural. Like, if I was to fill in my whole brow with this, it would look fine. It wouldn't look crazy. But with the little marker, oh my god, I love it. The only bad thing about it is that it doesn't have a spoolie, but that's okay. So with this, I just start doing little like hair strokes, if you will. And I just hope it comes out good, basically. And I follow the natural shape of my brow hairs. Also, brushing your hair diagonally also helps fill in little sparse areas if you do have them. So that's basically how I got the front to look more square. I just flick this little pen or marker, however you want to call it, upward, and it creates little hair strokes. And on this eyebrow, all my front hairs go straight, so it's very easy to do that. And this is even good if you don't even have that many brow hairs, because it looks like you microbladed your eyebrow if you look at it up close. And then right now I'm just looking in my little mirror, and I'm looking in the mirror that's further away to see all the sparse areas. This brow, it's easier. I'm like barely pushing the pen down. As you can see, I achieve the more full look quicker on this brow because it is a fuller brow. So for the front, I just do straight up hair strokes. And these hair strokes that I'm doing are little and they're not all the same size, so it could look more believable. And on this brow, I didn't do too many because I wanted to match up with my other one. But I forgot a little, you know. I also like doing it before because you can manipulate them a lot easier because you're not ruining your other makeup. I just put a little bit of brow gel, which is the Benefit Gimme Brow, and the shade is 4.5. That's basically what I do for my brows. It's so simple, so easy. It literally takes like 2 minutes, especially if I'm rushing. I won't try to make it so precise because I'm rushing. So just do a little hair strokes, and you're good to go. And you don't have to use both products, but I feel like outlining my eyebrows with a brow pencil first or a brow definer first helps, and then filling it in with a little marker is so much faster. It looks so much natural because when I do fill in my eyebrows with the eyebrow pencil, you could tell it looks like a shadow, if that makes sense. It doesn't look like little hair strokes. It doesn't look like I microbladed them. And I'm really into that look right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll come back when I have all my makeup done so I can close out this video. So guys, that concludes my eyebrow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is how my eyebrows look once I do my makeup, and this is a full face of makeup. And when I do natural makeup, they look pretty similar to this. It doesn't look too harsh. It looks like fine. It looks like it blends in, and I like this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I shared some good tips with you guys. I honestly don't do much with my eyebrows. I keep everything very simple because I don't like to make things more complicated than they have to be. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to kind of like and subscribe and click that red button down below. Press the bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload, and give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day wherever you are. Bye.